What's going on, guys? Chad here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be discussing my first week on Trulicity. Now, as you know, if you follow my channel, I was just on Mounjaro and was taken off Mounjaro because my insurance company does not want to help pay for my Mounjaro. It's not even on the list. They said I have to fail on 2 GLP-1s, which is going to be Ozempic or Trulicity. I've already done Ozempic in the beginning, so now I'm going to Trulicity. I've been on it for 1 week, and I'm going to share with you my 1 week result update right after this intro. Okay guys, where do I begin? I took the first shot last Sunday, and obviously today is 1 week. I'm going to take my other shot tonight, but I want you to know when I took that shot, the next day, my blood sugars were a little bit higher. Now, they weren't as bad as they've been, but they have gotten a lot worse over this last week. I hate to say it. I hate to give bad news, guys, but Trulicity so far has not been very good for me. My blood sugar the other day got in the 300s. It was never, ever, hardly ever over 200 ever with Mounjaro. And those were really bad days where it went up to 200, but it came down real fast with Mounjaro. I lost weight with Mounjaro. A1C was great with Mounjaro. I just did really well with Mounjaro. With Trulicity, my blood sugars have just been kind of elevated for a while now. Now, they're not like they used to be because Trulicity is working, but so far, it is not, absolutely not as good as Mounjaro, which we've already expected this. We already knew the GLP-1 mixed with that GIP. We knew that there was a double effect going on and it was going to help with Mounjaro better than Trulicity, better than Ozempic. This is just something that I wanted to share with you guys. My appetite, I still feel like my appetite is suppressed. I don't know if that has anything to do with Mounjaro trying to get out of my system. I don't think the shelf life is that long and it's going to last that long. Maybe it's because of just the way I've eaten over the last 9 months. It's kind of helped me not to want to eat as much. But I have no idea. But I will say my appetite is still suppressed to some degree. My weight is about the same. I haven't really lost weight. I actually feel like I'm gaining weight. I need to double check the scale, but I will say that as far as the blood sugars, it is absolutely no bueno. It is not good. It's not working for me, guys. So anyways, I hope things get better. I'm going to take another shot tonight. I don't meet with my endocrinologist for another couple of months to discuss the results. I'll get my A1C done then, and I will see if I fail on Trulicity and see what the insurance company is going to do. Maybe they will say, we're going to cover Mounjaro, but you're going to be paying $500 a month for it. I don't know what they're going to say, but I wanted to let you know my 1 week update with Trulicity has not been the best. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I know I have a lot of viewers, a lot of returning viewers that come to this channel. You guys get the information that I give you, and all I ask is if you would subscribe to the channel because it does help me and it's completely free for you. Hit the like button because, guys, it does help with this channel. I'm trying to get this channel built up and I need your support. It doesn't cost you 1 penny to hit the like button and to subscribe. If you want to stay up to date with these videos, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that way when I post a video, it'll immediately notify you and let you know Chad Boney has posted a video. So guys, thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Hope things get better. I'll update you on the Trulicity next Sunday, so stay tuned. Make sure you check out my video throughout the week because I am posting videos of different things throughout the week. So guys, thanks so much again for staying. Catch you on the next one. Bye.